This video we will see how do I speed up a cash app refund. So guys, while some refund time depends on your bank or the original payment history, so you can take action to helps to avoid delay and get your money faster. So guys, first of all, check your activities and updates. So go to the activity tab to make sure the refund was issued, and most refunds start processing right away. Then contact the merchant or the sender. If the refund is still pending, so ask them to confirm that they were issued the refund on their end. Okay, then guys, get the confirmation the refund was sent. Then guys, verify your account. Unverified account can cause the delay. Then verify your email, phone number and complete any ID verification. Then guys, use the cash app and the balance when possible. So refund to your cash app balance are instant if possible. Ask for the further refund this way. So choose the cash app balance for the faster refunds. Then guys, keep your app up to date. An outdated app can cause the processing or the notification delay. So update to the latest version of the cash app. Then guys, contact to the cash app support. If your refund is taking too long, so reach out. They can check the status and accelerate it if needed. So chat with the support in the app for the help. Okay, then guys, if you're talking about refund speed, so if you make the payment through the cash app, so it's take around immediately within the minute. If you do with cards like debit card, so it's take 1 to 3 days. For credit card, 3 to 7 days, and bank account 3 to 5 days, and cancel or failed payment up to 7 business days. Note, business days does not include your weekend or the holidays. After that guys, more tips to avoid delay. Make sure the payment original payment was successful. Refund can go back to the original payment method. Large amount or the new account may be require the extra review. Avoid suspicious activity or the frequent cancellation, and ensure your bank details are correct and are not restricted. And when will money? So once the refund is approved by the manufacturer or the sender, the money is right away. Then it's depend on your bank or the card. It can take anywhere from the few minutes to the business days. Okay, and important to the remember, so refunds are not instant. Bank and the card companies take time to process, so you get the notification when the refund is issued. It taking too long, the contact cash app support. Your money, your control. Okay, so guys, if you get more help, so you go to the cash.app/help and tab your profile icon and click the option of support and something else, then refund. So this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.